Hey guys, it's Rhett Wilson with Central Florida Equity Builders. Today we're going to explain the process of getting a roof done by us. Here at Central Florida Equity Builders, we work with a lot of homeowners with their first time having to do a re-roof, so we're here to make the process as easy as possible. So there's about 5 steps to getting your roof redone. Your initial consultation, preparation, removal, installation, cleanup, and final inspection. Once you've contacted our office will set up in a time that works for you for one of our team members to come out and discuss your roof with you. At that time, we'll check for any damages, we'll take lots of good before pictures, and we'll be able to provide your quote. For the preparation of your roof, our office will make sure that all your shingle colors and eave drip colors are what you want. At that time, we'll have our material delivered typically 2 to 3 days before the start of your job. A day before your removal is scheduled, a dumpster will be brought to your property, and we'll make sure to give you a good heads up that day before, so if you have a vehicle in your garage, you can remove it. Tarps will be placed around your home to help catch any nails and debris being taken off from your roof. During installation, depending on what package you chose from us, we'll begin installing your underlayment. At that time, we'll schedule your in-progress inspection based on your correct municipality. After we pass that, we'll begin shingling. After your roof is done being shingled, we'll do a good cleanup and schedule your final inspection. We know that getting a new roof can be an overwhelming process, but here at Central Florida Equity Builders, we try to make it as easy as possible for you. Give us a call today and set up your consultation.